Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to prove the nth order derivative formula for the function cosine ax. In our last video, we made a reasonable assumption that the nth order derivative formula for the cosine ax equals a power of n times cosine ax plus n pi divided by 2. However, this assumption was based on limited derivative terms. Now I will prove it mathematically with the induction method. As we know, the induction method includes 3 steps. At first, we should prove when n equals 1, this assumption is right. So, for the n equals 1, the assumption becomes a power of 1 times cosine ax plus pi divided by 2, which equals minus a times sine ax. However, this result is exactly the same as what we get in direct derivative of cosine ax. So, we prove that when n equals 1, this assumption is right. So for the second step, we just assume when the n equals k, the assumption is right. So for the kth order derivative in cosine ax equals a power of k times cosine ax plus k pi divided by 2. And the third step is to prove the assumption is right when the n equals k plus 1. As we know, for the k plus 1 derivative is the derivative in kth order derivative function. However, we already know that kth order derivative in cosine ax equals a power of k times cosine ax plus k pi divided by 2. After the derivative, we can get a power of k plus 1 times minus sine ax plus k pi divided by 2. So we can make some arrangement to make this expression as minus a power of k plus 1 times sine ax plus k plus 1 times pi divided by 2 minus pi divided by 2, which can be written as a power of k plus 1 times sine pi divided by 2 minus parentheses ax plus parentheses k plus 1 times pi divided by 2, which can be written as a power of k plus 1 times cosine ax plus k plus 1 pi divided by 2. However, this expression is exactly the same as what we get in the assumption when n equals k plus 1. So we prove that when the n equals k plus 1, this assumption is right, as long as we assume when n equals k, the assumption is right. So, based on last 3 steps, we have verified that nth order derivative formula in cosine ax equals a power of n times cosine ax plus n pi divided by 2. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.